Okay. What do you think you're about to do?
Open up a present.
Yeah, your very first present of the year. There you go. Do you know what it says?
Yeah. Flowers if you want flowers.
It says, to Aries from Santa.
But I like flowers if you want flowers too, so we'll just go with that one. Yeah, tear it open.
There you go.
Give it a good rip. Oh, look at that.
Wow.
You got a box.
You're really good at this.
Oh! Look at that.
I hope it's a gingerbread house. Look.
What is it?
Open it.
You gonna open it?
Open it?
You.
You want my help with it? Okay, here we go. All right, I'm gonna give you some help. Ready? Wanna do it with me? Here we go. Push. Oh, there we go. All right.
What are they?
Oh, want to show? Check it out. Look at these. These are Blume Series 1. They're 22 to collect. You basically open it and then you add water to the top of the
I
plate.
want that one.
Which one? The one with the rocky hair?
Yeah.
Yeah, I love that one.
Let's hope
Can
we
you
get
do
her.
it, please?
Let's do it. Let's open it up. Let's see what we get.
Okay.
Ready? You know how to use those?
Yeah.
Okay.
Would you like Dad's help?
Yeah.
Seems like it's a little tough to unwrap these.
We don't need help, Mama.
You don't?
Do you need this one too? Do you want a crystal one?
I
and
do.
I want a crystal
We
one.
all want to get the crystal one, I think.
Mhm.
Does Dad want to
You
get
know-
the crystal one?
I do, and there's also a rainbow one that I want to get.
This is a different color than the other blooms that we've gotten.
All right. Are you excited?
Yeah. I want the crystal one. Here.
You don't know which one's which.
We're ready to open them.
Okay.
I want
wanna
the
pull the
crystal
top off? You
one.
want to open
Let's
this
keep
one?
them all in
And
line.
you want
Let's keep them
the
all in.
other crystal
Okay, you
one.
want me to open it
And
for
you
you?
want the
I
other crystal
love that
one.
other crystal one.
Okay, so it comes with a little watering can.
Oh, let's open ours up, buddy.
Each one comes with a watering can. Each one comes with a little instruction packet. This is a list also of all.
Oh, we did it. All
The
right.
watering can.
Let's peel these off and line them up.
Where is it?
Oh, I forgot. We get stickers as
Oh,
well.
yeah. Oh, what
We have
stickers did you get?
3 sticker packs.
What
Which
stickers
one?
did you get, bud? Whatever.
Can I have that water
Can you
to
show-
water mine?
You can. Can you show the
Can I
camera
help
your
you guys?
stickers?
Can I help you guys?
Yeah, of course you can.
You have all of your choosing.
Should we all do the watering
Should
at the same time?
Should I take this off and
Yeah.
as they open?
At the same time.
Yeah. Oh, careful, careful. Oh,
Oh no!
oh.
Wow, good job being careful.
You are so coordinated today.
There.
Okay. You gonna put it on? Here we go.
What happened to mine?
Alright. No.
Maybe it's the crystal one.
Want to get some water on that?
Something's happening to mine. Mine?
Let
Alrighty.
her do some.
What happened?
Oh,
Wait, they're opening.
look at that, look at
Oh
that.
my god.
No way. They're coming out. Look, they're slowly coming out, bud. What ones do you think we got?
Maybe I got the crystal one.
I think you might. I think you got really
Oh my
lucky and you
goodness.
actually got the crystal one. No way.
Guys,
Let's peel it back. You ready?
Yeah.
All right. Help me. Oh, maybe. Oh, I don't know. Wow. That one looks awesome.
Yeah.
So
Can
that
you
one
see it?
is,
Can you show the camera?
that one is
Look
called
at her.
Crystal. That is this one down here in the
I
corner.
got it.
Yeah, you
I
want that
got
one.
it.
All right, this one's coming out now. You want to help open this one?
Uh-huh. Your favorite one. I got that one too.
You got that one too? I love this
Let
one.
me sit it down here where the
Yep, that's
one
May.
is.
We got
Alright,
one of
we've
May
got
already.
one of her already.
This one is for you.
I can't wait.
Whee! That one's called Tess.
It's called Tess.
So these are all adorable
Wanna hold
level.
them all up? Awesome.
Love that one.
Tess and May.
This is
Okay.
Crystal.
And Crystal.
Yeah, those are our little hatchlings, our bloombers, our blumbikins.
Wow, so I think we have more things to find because
Wait.
they all have accessories.
Are you gonna do that? Are you gonna dunk it in the water? Now comes the fun part, breaking these open.
Ah! But those next two set of holding hands.
How's it?
This one is
You?
for
Is it you? How's it? This is the hard part. This part's, oh, there we go.
That one's for me? Oh yeah, stick them.
And I'll
Okay.
stick this one in here. We'll both do it.
Uh-oh.
Here. Okay, seriously, if you are under the age of like extremely muscular, then don't attempt this.
No.
There we go. There we go.
Calm down, we're silly.
It's so cute. It comes with a little ice cream cone as a little friend.
Oh, it's so cute.
It is. For anyone who didn't actually get to see that because it was completely turned around so you can't see anything. So we got a fridge, a sink, I think, like what appears to be a small medicine cabinet of some kind. Each one of them has a little thing that's associated with the doll in it. So she's opening them all up at the same time right now. She's got the fridge and the sink both wide open. I don't know if you can see that. What do we have? We have our little friend, our ice cream cone friend for Tess. We've got a dress. Should we put it on?
No, this one is for her. Well,
Tess has the pink one, remember? This is blue.
hello, Crystal Heart.
Oh, it's perfect for Crystal. Look, it matches her hair.
I love that guy. I love.
Last thing that came with Tess is a little purse. Nothing else from there. We're all done.
How we do this one?
Wanna do that one? You got the sink open. Let's check what's in there. Having a tough time? You can turn it upside down if you want to. Here. Shake. There we go. Oh, it's a little shell.
Oh, it's for her. So that goes with her.
She's got one more thing for you to open in here. You want to just be... Oh, I'm already doing it. Got a dress. Some shoes. Yeah, so that's almost there. And now, just need to open her medicine cabinet. We'll get her all dressed up once this is done. Purse. Oh, what's in there?
Is another purse?
Another purse. Now they've all got a purse.
Is that hers?
Look who it is. Who's that guy?
I missed you so much.
Oh, I hate you.
Can I see what you got?
Yeah. Yes, you
What do you
can.
have there? Oh my goodness, can you tell me their name?
This one is Crystal.
Crystal? Can you show it to the camera, Aries? There's Crystal.
Here we got a little ice cream guy.
Oh, I love ice cream, guys. Can I have a bite? And what else do we have?
A shell for you to
A
eat.
shell for me to eat. What's on my head? Is it yummy?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's yummy.
Yeah.
Can I eat it?
Yeah. And with a little heart.
Alright, it's time for me to go. Let's put the clothes on these little doll sproutlings, sproutskins.
Aries.
Bloomkeys. Bloombergs. Children of the Blume. Well, it seems that our child has lost interest for now because the unboxing is finished, but we will finish dressing these wondrous creations up. Please subscribe to our channel.
Subscribe to our channel.
Let's say bye to the camera, Aries.
Bye, camera.
Camera.
Came to visit, holding hands, hands, and came to visit, holding hands, hands, and came to visit, holding hands, hands, and